The advent of artificial intelligence, AI, has revolutionized various sectors, and military technology is no exception. One of the most striking examples of this revolution is the development of AI-enabled drones utilizing first-person view (FPV) technology. These drones represent a seismic shift in modern warfare, offering unprecedented capabilities, cost efficiency, and operational effectiveness. FPV drones are equipped with cutting-edge technology that allows operators to control them in real time using onboard cameras. This provides a highly immersive experience, akin to being in the drone itself, enabling precision strikes and enhanced situational awareness. FPV drones are further enhanced with AI capabilities, making them formidable tools for modern combat. Their primary features include long endurance and range, swarm tactics, precision strikes, and versatility. These drones can fly for up to 8 hours, covering vast distances and remaining airborne for extended periods, which allows them to engage in persistent surveillance or strike missions. AI enables these drones to operate in swarms, where hundreds or thousands can coordinate their movements and attacks, overwhelming advanced air defense systems and creating significant tactical advantages. Equipped with advanced guidance systems, FPV drones can target high-value assets, including tanks, artillery, and command centers, with pinpoint accuracy. AI algorithms process real-time data, ensuring minimal collateral damage while maximizing mission success. FPV drones can adapt to various roles, from reconnaissance to direct combat, and function as anti-tank guided missiles, ADGMs, delivering devastating payloads at a fraction of the traditional cost. One of the most alarming aspects of FPV drones is their affordability. Priced at approximately $1,500 per unit, these drones are significantly cheaper than traditional military assets like tanks, fighter jets, or advanced missiles. The cost-effectiveness of FPV drones makes them an attractive option not only for large-scale military operations, but also for asymmetric warfare, where lower-budget adversaries can achieve strategic parity. The effectiveness of FPV drones lies in their ability to combine speed, precision, and adaptability. Their swarm capability poses a unique challenge to traditional air defense systems. A swarm of around 1,000 drones can overwhelm radar and missile defenses, exploiting gaps in coverage and rendering countermeasures ineffective. Additionally, these drones are highly maneuverable, capable of targeting both stationary and moving objects with ease. FPV drones are also designed to counter existing electronic warfare measures. Traditionally, drones relied on radio frequency signals, making them vulnerable to jamming. However, newer models incorporate fiber optic controls and AI-guided systems, making them impervious to electronic interference. This resilience further enhances their battlefield effectiveness, ensuring successful operations even in contested environments. The backbone of these drones is their advanced AI technology. AI algorithms enable real-time data processing, allowing them to analyze and adapt to changing conditions on the battlefield in real time. This includes rerouting paths, avoiding obstacles, and prioritizing targets dynamically. While traditionally operated by human controllers, these drones can function autonomously using AI, allowing for coordinated swarm attacks without human intervention. AI-enabled FPV drones represent a transformative force in modern warfare, combining affordability, effectiveness, and advanced technology. Please comment, like, and subscribe so that we can bring such more interesting contents to our dear viewers. Thanks for watching.